In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GlobalShiksha animated video DVD in your Windows system. So first, you have to insert the GlobalShiksha animated video DVD in your Windows system DVD-ROM. Once you have inserted the DVD, double click on the computer icon as shown on the screen. Then select the DVD-ROM. You can either double click on the DVD-ROM or you can right click on the same, select open to explore all the files in the DVD. Once it opens, then you select the option start as shown on the screen. Either way, it will start loading a flash player. Please wait while it loads, and when it loads, it will launch Flash Player, which has the study material animated videos. Make sure you have selected on I accept the agreement and click next on the license agreement. Once you reach this window, the first thing you do is you reset. Once you have reset, then you select the board, then you select the class. After that, you select the subject. Now you can see all the topics of that particular subject in the topic screen. You select any topic that you want to study and click go. This will launch your animated videos. The arrow keys which are right next to the seek bar will help you navigate through the entire topic via different subtopics. So all the best for your education and have fun learning.